Hey everybody, it has been a busy week here on the homestead. See, I just actually took vacation all week long, and it wasn't much of a vacation. I used the whole week to work on projects here around the property. I got a lot done, did a lot of work. So we worked back here on the barn. We worked a little bit everywhere on the property, but mostly on the barn. So the reason I took vacation is, one, my wife wants to get some goats. I know she'll be buying them here soon. And two is I'm getting ready to work a shutdown at work, and I'm going to work like the next 5 weeks. And I'll probably only get 2 or 3 days off in 5 weeks. And I know working 6 or 7 days a week, I am not going to be able to get anything done here around the property. So this week was a mad rush to get a bunch of stuff done. And I got done what I wanted to get done, but I wanted to get done more, but I did get done what I wanted to get done. And so I've got like 7 videos or something filmed. I'm going to spread those out over the next 5 weeks and show you guys what we got done this week. That'll be something that I can, post while I'm working those long hours. But I thought maybe today I'd go around. I'd show you some sneak peeks of some of the videos to come over the next month. So after we had most of our chickens get killed by a mink, my wife has gone out and been buying baby chicks. We've got a total of 18 baby chickens right now, and some of them are getting to be a pretty good size. So I just posted a video this morning on the barn post, replacing this post in the bottom of this barn. Well, one of the other projects I worked on this week was the barnyard fencing. And if you can see here behind me, I actually did get the barnyard fence complete. It's all wrapped up, all the gates are on, but that thing, it just ate my lunch. Everything that could have gone wrong went wrong. Ended up taking me 3 days to finally get the barnyard all finished and all the gates hung. It just killed me. That was a rough one. Nothing went right when I tried to finish this barnyard up. So here inside the barn, of course, we've already replaced all these posts down here, but we also ended up working on the stalls. So we ended up taking out this kind of double wide horse stall. It had like 2 gates on it. So we ripped this old horse stall out. You can see all the lumber laying here. And then we ended up building back like a wide, pretty good size goat stall. Ended up being about 13 by 10 feet goat stall, and pretty happy with the way this turned out. So I'll give you a sneak peek here. So here's the new goat stall, and pretty happy with the way that project ended up turning out. We'll have a video out on that here in a week or 2. So this week we also ended up in Mattoon, Illinois. We ended up at the new Ral King store there. It's the only Ral King store in Illinois that is selling the RK tractors. So I was able to go there and check out all their tractors and farm equipment while we were there, and also check out their new store. So recently I monetized my YouTube channel. You guys probably never seen commercials on here before until December. Late December I finally monetized the channel, and I'd been making YouTube videos for over 5 years, about 5.5 years or more now, and started off kind of small, posting a video once a month or something like that. But ever since we had bought this property out in the country, I've had way more content to post, and I shared a bunch of this, going through developing this property and moving out here to the country. And I could have monetized my channel a long time ago, and I kind of stayed away from that because I just kind of wanted to share my experience. I kind of feel like that's what YouTube should be. It should be real people sharing real things. And so I finally broke down, and I ended up monetizing the channel because we could use a little bit of extra income around here to help pay for, some of the projects and things that we're wanting to do here with the property. So ended up monetizing the channel, getting a little bit of income from YouTube. It's not a bunch. You're talking like a few $100 a month, but it's a little bit of something. So I'm getting close to 10,000 subscribers. I'm thinking somewhere in April time frame, somewhere around April, I should get close around then to hit 10,000 subscribers. So I'm thinking about doing a giveaway or I know I'm going to do a giveaway. So I'm going to take some of that YouTube income that we've got. I'm going to buy a couple items that I like and that I use every day, and I'm going to give those away here on the channel. So I'm really looking forward to that. Can't wait to hit 10,000 subscribers. That's like a lifetime goal for a guy like me, and then be able to give those items to you guys, because without you guys I wouldn't be having the income, I wouldn't be having the views. So just be nice to finally give something away on this channel. So another video that's on the list of mine to make will be getting ready basically to get the goats. We need it to be more about getting everything that we need for the goats, whether it's feed, you know, hay, medicine, hoof trimmers, you know, that kind of thing. It'll kind of go over, I guess, everything we're purchasing and research, you know, what we've researched that we need to have on hand when we get goats. Also, if my wife ends up getting some goats while I'm working these 5 weeks, I'm sure we'll get some video footage of that and share with you guys when my wife finally, you know, gets the goats that she wants to get. We also ended up picking up 2 more rabbits this week. These were given to us. The lady just didn't want to have them no more. These are chinchilla rabbits. This is the smaller type of chinchilla, so it's not really a true meat rabbit. So not 100% sure what we're going to do with them yet, but these were given to us, and the lady didn't care if we ended up raising them or butchering them. So that's good when you take an animal off of somebody, that they're okay if you decide to butcher them. So we'll just have to wait. We are going to have 1 litter of rabbits. We got a male and a female. We're going to have 1 litter of rabbits before we decide what to do with these chinchilla rabbits. So overall, my vacation has been a lot of work, and I really intended on getting a lot of stuff done and getting a lot of stuff filmed, so I had plenty of videos to be able to post weekly during the next 5 weeks while I'm working. And actually, everything at the barn, it took way longer than I intended, and I actually only have like 4 videos that are completely filmed. So I've got 1 more day off. I'm hoping to get a few things done, and maybe I can have a couple more videos completed to be able to post while I'm working the next month. So one of them has to do with our orchard here. So our orchard, I lost 2 trees last year. I lost a plum and a pear last year, and they're already selling fruit trees at Ral King, and I actually bought 2 fruit trees. So I've got 2 fruit trees, a plum and a pear tree that I need to plant. I need to prune my orchard, and I need to start my spraying regiment. I can't talk, but I need to start spraying these trees early, and I need to keep this copper fungicide, and that's actually an organic fungicide, is the copper fungicide, but I need to keep that kind of on these apple trees. That way I kind of stop any of the blight and the scab and the fungus problems that apple trees get. I need to stop them early so that my fruit trees can maybe actually have a crop of apples this year. Anytime I guess you have any type of a fungal issue with an apple tree, it really cuts down on your amount of apples. So I need to work on the orchard. One of the other things that I need to do is back across this dam here is that 3-acre field. We're planning on planting that in a hay field. So we've been doing a little bit of research, a little bit of work on trying to prepare that field for planting hay. So I've already got some of that filmed. I got a little bit more I need to do back there, and to get that field prepped so that when I do get off after working the next month, that when it'll already be ready so I can plant hay, you know, in April. So I need to work on the hay field back there, and hopefully that's another video. I get that finished up, and that'll be another video that I can post over the next month. So we'll just have to wait and see, you know, what ends up happening. I'm hoping to I'm going to at least post 1 video a week. If things go well, I can at least post maybe 2 videos. We'll just have to wait and see how well that goes. As far as the barn's concerned, I still need to make a hay feeder for the goats. So I have a hay feeder project to do. That's something that I might be able to do on my, you know, like a day off here or in the evenings. But I still need to make a goat hay feeder for the goat stall in the barn. So that's another video that could be coming up in the next month. Other than that, I really wanted to get more done this weekend. I really wanted to get my garden that's over there. I wanted it moved back here closer to the house next to the orchard. And I didn't get that done. So I was really disappointed that I didn't get any gardening stuff done or anything ready or prepared. I got some cool season crops that I'm going to need to plant here soon. And I may just have to use my old garden beds in the old area for the cool season crops. I do have another vacation already set in April. So in April, when I take my vacation, that'll help me get that hay field planted. It'll also help me build my new garden area next to the house. So not much of a vacation I have planned, I guess, right? I have to use all these vacations to get all this work done on the property. But here in April, I'll hit another big hit, you know, another big majority of work here on the property to try to get things moving, try to get my yearly goals done. And then maybe after that, I can slow down over the summer and do some more fishing and more relaxing. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Sorry, you know, that I've got to work here over the next month, so I'll do my best to at least post one video a week, and hopefully I can do better than that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.